Next prayer, Adon Olam. Adon Olam is a song of praise of Hashem, whose authorship is uncertain. Right? So, we don't know who wrote it. Our sages tell us that those who recite it with a proper concentration are guaranteed that their prayers will be heard and Satan will not interfere. Women are certainly advised to recite this poem. Okay, so we were building up. So first we said she's not obligated, but all of these things as Adon Olam, it's first prayer, right? So after this blessing, as we said, so it's first prayer. Very interesting. But in our Siddur, I'm thinking, no, Adon Olam. It could be in our Siddur. It's actually these prayers are even before the morning blessings, I think. Okay, but anyway, just follow your Siddur, and this Adon Olam, it's possible. Or if you want, you can say that.